People have always paid with something. At first, they exchanged goods. Later, they used shells for payment. And then someone invented coins. However, they were terribly unwieldy if you wanted to pay for something expensive, and they cost the state a lot of gold and silver. So some smart people invented paper money. And then a little later, credit cards and online payment systems followed. But it was always the banks that made the most money. At some point, the clever people wondered, why is it always the banks making a profit from my money? What would happen if there were just one single currency all around the world that people could trade with one another? This is how the idea to create virtual bitcoins came about, a monetary system independent of states and banks. What used to be done by the bank, namely managing money, is carried out by the blockchain in the system. This is a decentralized database that contains a constantly growing list of transaction records. It works like a chain, with new elements constantly being added to the bottom. And that's why it's called a blockchain. The Bitcoin system would not work without the blockchain because new Bitcoins can only be created based on those previously generated. And that's why past activity is always documented. The benefits of the blockchain technology are obvious. Huge amounts of data can be managed easily. The cost of internal and external financial transactions, reporting and management are minimized. At the same time, the system is very secure. Encryption and access management make it pointless to break in to steal data. Penetration into part of the system is successfully prevented through the decentralized technology. Only an entire attack on all computers could lead to abuse of the system, but this is technically impossible. So the blockchain is a forward-looking technology. It is already used in countless peer-to-peer networks. And it is safer than any conventional bank. No stock market crashes, no bank holdups, and no fees. Now that sounds good.